Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw ho sa ating lahat. Especially to all my organic followers around the world. Those people not yet followed in our Facebook page and our TikTok here, in our YouTube not yet subscribe. If you have a time, and then you can subscribe, mga kaibigan. We are here today, mga kaibigan. May tatanungin ang mga tao, tinatanong ho tayo, mga kaibigan. Hindi po tayo ang nagtatanong. So, ito po yun, mga kaibigan. Isa lang po ang masasabi ko dito. I am not expert, mga kaibigan. So, that's why, in my job, in my designations and tasking for being a law enforcement officer of this country, fully to the doctrine under of falling down to the Philippine constitutions, of following all the privileges given by the Philippine constitutions as elected officials, those people done by, elected by law and appointed by law of this Philippine constitutions in our country who are working in the government, mga kaibigan. I am here, mga kaibigan, na kung saan sasagutin ko po ang mga katanungan na ito. It is based on yung nare-receive natin that I was received a call from out there, mga kaibigan. Those people, they are arguing with us, mga kaibigan. In the first place, the duties and responsibility being a radio operator is to dispatch, to receive calls, and to channel all the calls that we receive from outgoing and outgoing calls, mga kaibigan. Outgoing and incoming messages. So, that's the work of the radio operator. But one thing for sure, mga kaibigan, as a radio operator of the certain stations on the PNP, there is a abrupt in decision making. There is a abrupt in how to dispatch people, how to dispatch patrollers. So, as per as the logbook is concerned, as per as the call is concerned, whether we dispatch people to respond on that particular incidents that would happen in our EOR. Ganun ho ang gagawin ng isang radio operator, mga kaibigan. There is a abrupt decision in making in order to verify a certain incident na kung saan, that's why we have a first responder on that particular crime. So, ganun ho ang mangyayari. There is a lawyer from something in Luzon. May kliyente ho siya dito. They are committing something wrong with our law, mga kaibigan. I am so confused that I am newly assumed for that kinds of the designations. Sinasabihan ho tayo, lahat ng ginagawa ng pulis ay mali. Who are you to talk about that? And then I will argue, mga kaibigan. I will insult for those lawyers na nagsasabi ho ng ganun. Why? Bakit to, mga kaibigan? Na sinasabi ho niya na mali daw ang ginagawa ng nadidispatch ng in our EOR to response that kinds of an incident. Mali ba ho yun? Mali ba na magresponde ang isa ka patrollers na gidispatch from the radio operator? Mali ba ho yun? Or ikaw ang mali? You are the lawyers and you are assuming that you are a judge of the court. In the first place, sir, attorney, who are you? Wala pang complaint na i-file doon sa prosecutor. At wala pang verdict ang korte na nagsasabi ang nagresponde ay mali. Ganun na ba ho mag-isip ang isang attorney? Ganun na ba ho mag-isip ang isang lawyer na they are graduate by law? They are graduate by something to read more books about law, that you are studying, you are in the protocols and the discipline of law. Bakit ganun pong sasabihin? Mali na ba ho yung lahat ba nakikita? Gago pala tayo pag ganun pong iniisip natin. When the crime or the incident happen within this EOR, and then automatically, if they are verified by the radio operator, they are automatically dispatch people, the nearest, on that matrix. Ganun no, mga kaibigan. Hindi po, porkit lawyer ho kayo, kayo ang masusunod. We have the court of the judge in the court. We have the fiscals in the fiscal office. We have the investigator in the police station. Just file a formal complaint in order that the responder of that incident na you are in the conclusion na mali. Kailan ba natin makikita na mali? Mga kaibigan, kailan ba natin makikita kung mayroon ng decision ang korte, mayroon ng formal complaint ang na-file? Just file it, a formal complaint. Before you say it that the police officer who responds this incident is mali. Baka ikaw ang nagkakamali. So that's why, sabi niya, ganun kayo dito sa Mindanao. Bakit? Hindi ba kayo Pilipino? Hindi porkit lawyer kayo, taga Luzon kayo, ganun na yung asta nyo. Ano bang ibig sabihin? Hindi naman po, di ba? Yung taga Luzon before, mga hambugiro, magini sila. No? Mga hambugiro, gini. I have so many cousins in this Luzon, mga kaibigan. Mga hambugiro, gidaw ning mga taga Luzon. They are assuming themselves na sila lang yung pinaka high-end na people living in this Philippines, no, mga kaibigan. Kaya intingin nila sa Mindanao parang tuta ba? Wag ninyong ganunin ho, mga kaibigan. We are all Filipinos. Just respect the law. Just respect the police officer. If you are a good lawyer, and then respect it. Follow the synchronize of the protocols of law. Ganun lang po. Lawyer ho kayo, ganun yung pagsasabihan ninyo. Hindi porket police yan, ganun-ganun na lang ninyo. So that's why, no, mga kaibigan, I am not expert. No, I am not expert, but kaya ka pala, no? Kaya pala dito, dami ditong mga masasamang tao sa Pilipinas. So that's why the only one thing for evil to triumph, because the good man is to do nothing in this country. And then I will argue you, sir. So that's why my answer, just file a formal complaint. Just go to a police stations or directly. Saan kayo magpapile ng complaint? Huwag ninyo ako takot-takutin. Wala naman akong ginagawang mali as my designation is concerned. And then I will stand that kinds of, di ba? Kung walang, dito manuroy kung balot, no? Huwag lang ninyo ako takot-takutin. Kung hindi pala kayo mga gago, no, mga kaibigan, no, I am ordinary. Ordinaryong tao lang po ako, mga kaibigan. I'm so ordinary citizens of this country. Kahit saan pa kayo tumawag kayo. Manghambog pa nga na ay connection sa krame, saan, tawagan nyo. Diba? Kung may mali bang ginagawa, kung kayo ang nagkakamali. Diba? Huwag hambog. Diba? Hindi porkit lawyer tayo, malaki posisyon natin, marami ho tayo pera, ganun na lang natin sasabihin yung mga ordinaryong nagsiservisyo sa bayan na ito. Diba? Gunggong ka.